The insurance market is shifting, and when the hard market hits, capacity will tighten, premiums will rise, and traditional risks will become harder to place. Now the question is, will you be ahead of it? Captive insurance is no longer just for Fortune 500 companies. More businesses across industries and across sizes are using captives to take control of their risk. And the people who understand captives now will be the ones leading the conversation when the market turns. This is why we created Captive Insurance from Concept to Execution. Now this course gives you the inside track on how captives work, who they benefit, and what it takes to establish one. In this course, you will learn the financial, regulatory, and operational considerations so that you can be the one bringing solutions to the table before others even realize they need them. Captives aren't just an alternative, they are a competitive advantage. Master captive insurance now and position yourself as the expert your clients and colleagues rely on. By the time the market shifts, the smartest advisors will already be ahead. Now, will you be one of them? Get the knowledge now, stay ahead, and be the expert that others turn to.